Strong Espresso Machines and Grinders proudly introduces the all-new Strong Silverstar 2 Espresso Grinder. Featuring all stainless steel body panels and cooling vents to reduce heat, as well as a self-feeding auger spiral system with a huge 400-watt motor. The Strong Silverstar 2 also features large high-carbon 60mm blades and a direct injection coffee dispenser. Also a large 2.5-pound hopper that is both crack-resistant and made of flexible plastic. The Strong Silverstar 2 features an automatic fill and dispensing system for high-volume application. Also, a micrometric grind adjustment enables full control over your coffee. The Strong Silverstar 2. Performance redefined. Find us online at www.strongespressomachines.com or www.espressoonline.com.